My mom is the most caring and loving person I know. She has always been there for me, through thick and thin. Her smile brightens up my day, no matter how tough it may be. Mom has a heart of gold and is always willing to help others in need. She's an incredible cook and makes the best homemade meals. Mom has taught me valuable life lessons that I'll cherish forever. Her hugs are like magic. They instantly make everything feel better. She's my biggest cheerleader, supporting me in all my endeavors. Mom's strength and resilience inspire me to face challenges head-on. She has a great sense of humor and knows how to lighten the mood. Mom's wisdom and guidance have shaped me into the person I am today. She's an amazing listener and gives the best advice. Mom's unconditional love is the anchor that keeps our family together. She's always thinking of others before herself, putting their needs first. Mom's patience knows no bounds, especially when dealing with me. Her presence brings warmth and comfort to our home. Mom's laughter is contagious, filling our home with joy and laughter. She's incredibly hardworking and never complains about the sacrifices she makes for our family. Mom's love knows no limits, and I'm grateful for her every single day. She's not just my mom, she's my best friend and my hero.